So this is how you can fix YouTube captions. If you want to change the captions of your YouTube, this is the best tutorial for you because I'm going to teach you how to change the captions language or just simply how to turn on captions because sometimes other people don't know. So that is why I make these kinds of tutorials. So if you're on mobile, you might see four buttons at the top right. You're going to want to tap on the second to the last one, which has CC in the logo. As you can see, it says subtitles turned on the moment that I opened it. Now, if you want to go further, you can hold that caption button and then choose the kind of captions that are here. By the way, not every video has captions. Some are auto-generated, some are also put in the video by the creators. So for example, if you see English in one video and only English, that's because they only put English for that specific video. But if you see a lot of languages, like this one, that means the creator has put a lot of languages because it's not auto-generated. So once again, I'm going to open it up and now we can choose, for example, Japanese. Now it's going to show us Japanese captions. As you can see at the bottom, it starts showing Japanese captions. We can also go on ahead and try these auto translate to whatever language you may have. So for example, it's going to automatically translate it to the specific language you chose. Let's say the video is in Japanese and you want to translate it to English. If there are no English subtitles, you could use auto translate in order to translate it to English so that you can understand what you're watching. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the captions. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.